Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to start one very important data structure or data type you can say in Python, which is basically dictionary. Okay, so dictionary is like kind of hash map or tree map or linked hash map in Java, okay, which stores data as key value pair. Okay, so let me start with how to initialize dictionary. So dictionary is a data type which stores key value pair. So we will check what is the concept of key value pair. First, let me initialize the dictionary. So one empty dictionary is initialized with curly bracket. Okay, this curly bracket we have used for set data structure also. So you can give one curly bracket to initialize one empty dictionary. Okay, suppose I am writing E equal to curly bracket. Okay, now if I write type of E, I will be getting dict, which is basically denoting dictionary. Okay, now how to create the key value pair? So you just open curly bracket. Inside that, suppose my keys are integer. Okay, for the time being. So for key 1, the values are suppose colors. Okay, red and then green and then suppose blue. Okay, now these are values, multiple values for one key, so we will be keeping this as one list. Okay, all the values are kept inside one list, and this is key, this is value. To difference in between these two, we have to give colon. Okay, so this becomes one key value pair. Now whenever we want to get these values red, green, blue, we just simply need to give the key, that is 1. We will be getting all the values corresponding to that. Suppose another key value pair is 2 and it has only one color, that is black. Now this is one key value pair and this is another key value pair. To differentiate in between these two, we have to give comma. Like we have used comma separation for set, comma separation for tuple, comma separation for list. Here also in between two elements, to separate two elements in dictionary, we have to give comma. Okay, right? Now how to extract the element? See, I am writing E of inside square bracket 1. If I run, I will be getting red, green, blue. Okay, so all the values corresponding to this particular key we will be getting. I will be writing E of 2. I will be getting only black because the value corresponding to the key 2 is black, right? You can instead of list, you can give here tuple also. No issue in that. See, I have given multiple values inside tuple. Okay, now if I write E of 1, I will be getting red, green, blue, and that is as a tuple we will be getting, right? So this is what is simple concept of key value pair in case of Python in dictionary. Okay, in case of dictionary, right? Then one more beautiful property is present in case of dictionary. This is quite different with respect to Java. If you consider, in case of Java, all the keys should be of same data type, all the values should be of same data type if you denote. But in case of Python, the keys in dictionary can have different data type also. Like here I am defining one of them. First one, key is integer. Okay, I am having suppose one boy named Soham. Okay, and then for this is one key value here. For suppose this is one roll number and student name. For roll number 1, the name is Soham. Okay, for roll number 2, the name is suppose Satadru. For third element of the dictionary, I am giving suppose one string. See, here in the first two elements the key is integer, but now I am giving string. Okay, suppose I am giving Rajdeep as one key value, and corresponding to that value is suppose 54. Okay, so what we have done here, we have defined one dictionary which is having different data types as key and different data types as values also. Now if I run the code and want to extract the element, simply I will be writing E of 1. So we will be getting the value corresponding to the key 1, which is Soham. If I run, I will be getting Soham. Now suppose I want to extract the value corresponding to the key Rajdeep, which is in string. So E of Rajdeep, I will be getting 54. So see, there is no bound, there is no condition in case of data types. Okay, you can take any data type for key, any data type for value. Okay, so this is how you can extract element from dictionary. Okay, next very important concept, and this is the last concept I want to discuss. That is, suppose you want to extract values corresponding to a key which is not present in our dictionary itself. Like for example, here in this dictionary, suppose key is 3. 3 key is not present, right? But suppose we want to get the values corresponding to the key 3. So if you run, you will be getting key error. That means the key is not present in this dictionary. Okay. For that, suppose you don't want to get this error. What you want, if key is present, give the corresponding values. If key is not present, don't throw error. For that, there is a method get present in Python for dictionary. You have to write e.get and then give the key corresponding to which values you want to extract. So first let me show for original case. Suppose I want to get all the values corresponding to the key 1, which is Soham here. So if I run e.get1, I will be getting Soham. I am giving some key which is not present in my dictionary itself. Suppose e.get5. So if we simply give e of 5, what we will be getting? We will be getting error, key error, because 5 is not present. But if you run e.get5, we will be getting, see, nothing. Okay, so basically this will not throw, get method will not throw error if that particular key is not present in our dictionary. So it is always better to use get method, right? Because otherwise you have to handle this exception. Okay, handling exception I have already discussed. You can handle the exception also, no issue in that. But one good way to extract element from a dictionary using particular key is use get method. Okay, so this is what about fundamentals of dictionary. This is all for this video. In my next video I will show you some more important methods in dictionary. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. And if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.